Hello internet. Well, you knew it wouldn't be long before I had to have a play. I've now got myself one of these. Can you see that? I think you can. Oh, there you go, that's better. An iCar Pro. And that plugs into, let me take you down here, oh, the OBDC port. Like so. You then go to your phone and you pair it up through your Bluetooth device, and then you got this. Now this is Bimmercode, and I'm sure you've seen it before, especially if you own a BMW, so it's not new software or anything. But let's just connect. So we are connecting to the car. So basically Bimmercode, and let me just go through this and I'll bring you back. Just connecting up. It does look like it takes a little while to connect in. I have heard this is it's a bit slow, especially if you're using the Bluetooth. It's better to use the cable, but Bluetooth is more convenient for me. Okay, so I've started the car up just so I don't drain the battery, and we are in. So as you can see there, you've got pretty much everything that the ECU contains, and all the data on it. So you can look at so many different categories. I mean, it's unbelievable. What I want to do is make sure that when we lock the doors, the mirrors fold in. So let me find the menu and I'll bring you back. So there you go, going into the electronic control module rather. Oh, got the heated seat on, marvellous. It's difficult to do this holding the camera and also holding the phone. Let me see if I can find a better way of putting this. Hold on, bear with me. So there you go. Not sure how much you can see, but as you can see here, you can change the ambient lighting. You can shut off the iDrive when the door is open, and I've just made that active. So yeah, I want all the stereo to go off as soon as I open the door. Auto stop start function, you can pretty much make it off by default, and I've just done that because the stop start, as good as it is, I don't really want it on after I've switched the car off and got back in it again, if I have switched it off. I also changed, you got everything in here, look, I mean, it's amazing. All your convenient lights, you can do your daytime running lights, you can make active. Well, I mean, it's endless, it really is. I've got to go through this because literally I've only just got this and just started messing about with it. You can do stuff with the LEDs, don't really want to be honest, but the one thing I changed was fold and unfold the mirrors, make that active, and what that basically does, and also made it active on there, the unfold mirrors with convenient opening. When I open the car now, or when I close the car, it folds the mirrors up automatically. Yeah, folding mirrors speed threshold 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, you can make the mirrors you can make the mirrors open up when you start driving. It's amazing, this tool, it really is. Like I say, for £33 I think it was, or just over 34, 35, you only have to pay the one subscription, and that's it, you got it for life. Front backrest temperature, oh, you can change the temperature of the seats, look at that. I mean, this is yeah, I've got a lot of stuff to play with. A lot of stuff to play with. Welcome light activation. Right, so there you go. That's my new toy as such. Bimmercode is the piece of, or the application that goes onto your phone. Works on Android, works on iOS. So if you've got one of those crazy iPhones, you'll be fine with that as well. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for listening to the waffle. Catch you later, YouTube. Bye bye.